Hi and welcome. In this video I'm going to explain a little bit about what the non-www or URLs that don't include the www mean, why we show that to you, and how you can use that within our SEO tools. Now, our SEO web crawler crawls a lot of information. It analyzes that information, performs a number of checks, and then represents that information to you with data such as the screen you're looking at now. And if we look at non-www URLs, all that means is that these are all of the URLs on a site that don't use www. This comes with a little green thermometer to say that it's all good, because there's no benefit to using or to not using www. The only issue that you would have is if you had some URLs using it and some URLs not. And you can see here that we have 0 URLs using www, and we have all of the URLs using not using the www. So if you click on the number here, 493, you can see these are all of the pages that we've got using www. Not using www. And this shows you information such as the status code, the canonical URL, whether it's in the sitemap, whether the page is canonical or whether the page is indexable. And again, you can click this button here and that'll download all of the data on this page, including everything that's been paginated, into a CSV file for you to use later or do whatever you want with. Now, as I said, there's no intrinsic benefit to using or not using the www in the URL. We choose not to use the www simply because it makes the URL shorter, and that has shown through some studies to improve click-through rate. Our site at the moment uses the address of https://raptor-dmt.com, and it doesn't include the www, and it works just the same as it would with any other type of whether you're using www. So we just provide this as some information. We include it within the canonical section, just simply because if you're seeing pages split between, say, HTTP and HTTPS, www, non-www, some using and not using trailing slash, that implies that there's a certain amount of canonical duplication occurring throughout the site, which can ultimately lead to a loss of control of what content is showing in Google. So I hope this video has been useful to you. Thanks for watching.